Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to add and edit text in CapCut. Firstly, launch the CapCut app on your device. Then tap the new project or select an existing video to edit. In the project view, tap text at the bottom of the screen. Then select add text and type in your desired text. Adjust the placement of the text on the screen if needed, and tap the save button to apply your text to the video. Just note that you can add multiple text entries to a single video clip if needed. To edit a text, choose a project and tap on the timeline where the text appears. Just tap the pen icon at the top right corner to open the editing options. Then customize the text by choosing options such as font, style, effect, animation, and preset. Once you're satisfied, just hit the save button to confirm your changes. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.